In this problem, we are subtracting two-digit numbers again, and right away I see a difficulty. I can't just subtract the ones column and then subtract the tens column, because in the ones column, the number on top, 2, is smaller than the number on the bottom. So I can't take 8 away from 2. That would leave me with a negative number. I can't put a negative number down here. So what do you do in this situation? Well, we're going to do something called regrouping, sort of the opposite of what we did in adding numbers, where you might carry a 1 over. We're actually going to steal a 1, and since this is the tens column, it's actually a 10 that we're stealing. We're going to steal 1 from the column to the left. So I'm going to turn this 2 into a 12. Okay, I'm putting a 1 in front of the 2. This is now 12. So that 2 became a 12. I added 10 to it. I'm going to take away that same 10 from over here. So this 8, because it's in the tens column, represents 80. We're going to turn that into a 7, and now it represents 70. So I took away 10 from this column. I added the 10 to this column. So that is how you regroup for subtraction. Sometimes people call it borrowing the 10 or borrowing a 1 from the column over. That's the process you're going to use. Sometimes you have to do it more than once. In this case, we only have to do it once because now I've got 12 minus 8. Well, 12 minus 8, that's 4. If that doesn't come directly to your mind, you might think about it this way. To get to that, down to 10, I would need to subtract 2. So I can think of 8 as 2 and 6. So I'm subtracting 2 and then I'm subtracting 6. So 12 minus 2 is 10, and then 10 minus 6 is 4. And so that goes down here, the 4. And then in the tens column, I don't have an 8 anymore up here. I have a 7. But 7 is bigger than 3, so I can just say 7 minus 3, that's 4. So 82 minus 38 is 44. So that is how to subtract two-digit numbers when you need to regroup.